thrifting day. We just got done at the gym, so we're like flush and sweaty, but we can't be late to the thrift store.
Cannot be late. We got to get there right at 9 when they open. That's the best time to thrift, when the thrift store opens.
At least here in Utah, like everything's hyper competitive here, including thrifting. So far I haven't found a lot of good stuff, but I'm gonna keep going down the aisles and see if I can find something that I like. Maybe Zeb's doing better in the yard. The craft section's kind of a hot mess today, but I do like to check it out just to see if there's anything that strikes my eye. I like this, a soldering gun. Is it actually in there? I'll see if Zeb needs that for soldering. I do love these two little tables, especially because they're round, but I have too many little tables in the barn, so I got to pass, which makes me sad. I did happen to find these two vintage floral prints. That one is in better shape. This one has water damage, but I just think I still love them together, even with a little bit of water damage. This right here is why you always want to do your squats at the thrift store. I almost missed that. Look how cool it is. We're at thrift store number 2. What do you think you're gonna find?
I don't know, but I'm looking for something unique to make over. That's the goal this year. I'm just gonna find weird stuff that I'm gonna make look good.
It started to rain, so I'm gonna go fast. So we're at another thrift store, and I have never seen this before. Look, there's nothing on those bottom shelves. Nothing. I don't know what happened. I always like to look in the dishes and like the servingware, because sometimes you find some real gems. I think this is pretty cute for 75 cents. Sur La Table, that's a really good brand. I said I wasn't buying any more Christmas, but I love this. So cute. It's got a dent in it though, a few of them. I don't know, I might have to pass.
All right, let's see what we've got down in here. How much is that? No price.
All right, so I see Zeb over there, and I'm hoping that he has some good stuff in his cart because I have nothing.
I'm not having as good a luck. I do have some stuff that might be questionable purchases that we may or may not want to put back on the shelf. Yeah.
Let's go through the cart and make some decisions.
So I just thought this was cool because it's a Lego mold. Not our style, but I'm like, can I pass it up? It's $1.
Yeah, I think so.
Okay, we can pass that.
Unless you're gonna be making Lego cakes for the boys.
So I did get this one because, you know, Mickey. I am getting this one.
Okay.
And then I also got the bunny mold. No price on this. I'm gonna guess it's $1.52.
That's cute. I like the big greenery. I'm not loving the cattail, but I like the...
So the buckets are what I'm buying for $3.
Okay, I like the buckets. What else we got?
So this is like...
This looks like Captain America.
It does. It's going to get a paint job. It's all loose. These are the only things that I'm like, do we really want these? These are $5 a piece.
No.
For these egg baskets with like this rope handle.
No, Zeb.
But I'm like, can I pass them up? They're really cool egg baskets, but for $5 a piece, I think I'm not a buyer. I always got to go right to the yard. It's my first place I hit. The one thing I wanted was already sold. Oh, what is this, mercury glass?
Yeah, every like mercury glass one we've found lately, we have sold. This one must light up. That's weird, but all right.
Huh.
I'm here
Both
for
of those?
We'll put some batteries in. Maybe they sing songs.
Do they play music?
I don't know.
I don't know, a little cast iron bird
Yes, please.
for $1. Then there's another one for $1, but this one's more geometric.
That one looks like it's about to eat its mother's regurgitated food.
Okay. So I passed on this chest earlier. How much is it? $3-4?
It's $4. It's plain and boring, but we're gonna paint it anyways.
It is all solid wood. That's the thing.
And we've sold every chest we've ever painted.
All right. What about this owl? Can you make this owl over, Jamie?
No, I cannot. It is very big. Thanks for coming along thrifting with us today. Good news, bad news. Good news is we are going to have to thrift again. Bad news is we don't have time, but we're definitely gonna have to get more smalls.
Yeah, we got a couple things that need some makeovers. This in particular, I'm as patriotic as the next person, but I'm gonna redo this. I tend to like my American flag situation in the actual flag. I don't know what it is about it. I like it just like that. So I'm gonna repaint this.
Less of a bullseye, more of a flag. We will take you along with us next time we thrift. Don't forget Saturday's our thrift haul, so you can see what we're gonna do with all of these items. Be sure to give us a thumbs up and subscribe to Jami Vintage for more
DIY. We've had a few comments in recent weeks that I pan too fast over the goodies, so I put it to some epic music and went really slow. Hope you enjoy.